Meta Trader 4 winning strategy. This strategy is meant for Meta Trader 4 and not Meta Trader 5. You cannot use this on the right platform. This is a simple strategy, and I've combined few indicators together to filter out a fake signal. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do so, and do give me a thumb up. Do not forget to turn on the notification button so that you'll be notified each time I share another winning strategy. Welcome to Profiting Forex Trading channel. In this video, I would like to show you how to use these forex tools that I've combined together to come up with this trading strategy. It is simple and it can be used on any time frame you want. Follow me closely as I explain how to use this strategy profitably. Before you go live or you trade, make sure you check Forex Factory to see if there's any news that will affect your trade before you place that particular order. Make sure you check Forex Factory on a daily basis and mark out the calendar if there's any major news that is going to affect your trading. Make sure you trade on regulated forex broker. In my video description, I drop some links to some of these brokers. Make sure you register with them and practice on the demo account before you go live. Do not trade with your hard-earned currency or money without practicing. Make sure you practice on regulated forex brokers and try it on demo account. And we will advise you not to use money that you cannot use in real life on your demo account. If you cannot afford $1,000, make sure you do not pick $1,000 in your demo account. If it is $100, you can afford to start with $100 so that you will know how to trade profitably when you go live. Do not need to adjust after you've demonstrated a while with $100. Then you will know how to trade profitably when you go live. Having said that, let us move on. Here on my chart, I have two indicators on my chart. Here is indicator number 1, and here is forex indicator number 2, and the third indicator is this indicator on the indicator windows, and this can be used profitably when you combine the three indicators together, and I'll show you now how we combine this. Number one thing you need to look out for is this indicator here that turn from aqua color to red. Aqua color is for buy and red color is for sell. So you sell when it turns to red and buy when it turns to aqua color. Just make sure you follow this. But the fact that it turns to aqua or red color does not mean you will enter that trade immediately. The fact that it turns to red for sell or aqua color for buy does not mean you have to take that trade immediately. Do confirm it with other indicators on the indicators window before you enter your trade. At this particular point, we have this indicator turning from aqua to red. At this particular point, it turns to red, and when you check the other indicator here, it turns to purple, the white cross below the red, and then we have this red purple histogram. Rather, you have this purple color histogram. So this is a second confirmation for it said. And when you look down on the indicator window, you find out that there's another indicator here, and the white cross below the purple color for a sell. So at this point we have a confirmed signal, and you can place your trade here. Your stop loss will just be few pips above the previous high. This is the previous high before this signal was generated, just like 10, 15, 20 pips above. Then you ride the trend. When you look at this second indicator, it did turn here to aqua color, but when you check this indicator did not cross above the first indicator. This still remained red, and this is to tell us you can remain in the market. And at this point that this indicator confirm it again, then you can enter more trade and adjust your stop loss to this particular point and ride the trend. Here's another point to enter. It turn to purple again, and you keep on entering more trade. And this is how to use this particular indicator. At this point right now, we have the indicator, the purple color changed to green at this particular point, but you are not going to take this trade. Just be at alert if the other indicator will change to aqua color for a buy, and it's going to be above it, above the aqua color, before you place your trade. Let's move back a bit so that we see the history for this particular strategy. As I said, this strategy is meant for Meta Trader 4 and not Meta Trader 5. Make sure you trade on regulated forex broker and check Forex Factory. Now let's look for another signal. Here is another buy signal that was generated here. We have the first indicator change to aqua color, and this histogram change to green, and it's above the aqua color. It turns to green and it's above aqua color. The signal is confirmed with the two indicators. Then when you check the indicator window, this did confirm the indicator also. The white is above the purple color. Then you ride the trend. Then we have opportunity to enter more of this trade, and this is a simple strategy that anyone can use. Here is it again. This turn to red here, and we have this is purple, turn to purple, and white is below the purple color. Then this is a valid signal also for a sell. And this is how to use these particular indicators. It is simple, and you can use it on any time frame you want, but I've shown you how to use it on 15-minute time frame. Here is it on 1 minute time frame. The principle still remain the same. Here is a valid buy signal at this particular point. You have valid buy signal here, valid buy signal here at this particular point. And if you want to use it on the 1 hour, you can do that also. Just check it out on 1 hour time frame. Use any time frame that is convenient for you. Here is it on 1 hour. We have a sell signal confirmed at this particular point. Your stop loss is going to be few pips above this level, and then you ride the trend. Another opportunity to enter for sell, and here is a buy signal generated here, confirmation. Then go on with your trade. Sell signal generated here, confirmation here. So this is how to use this indicator. You can use it on any time frame you want, and make sure you trade on regulated forex broker. In my video description, I drop some links to this forex broker, regulated forex broker, that do not have issue trading with them, either depositing or withdrawing my money. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do so. This particular strategy can be used on any pairs. You can use this particular strategy to trade cryptocurrency like Doji, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, or BTC USDT, BTC USD, ETH USDT, and the rest. You can use this to trade meta like gold, silver, and the rest. This can be used to trade indices like US 30, Nasdaq or US 100, UK 100, and you can trade stocks with this particular strategy. Just make sure you follow the simple rule and you will be fine. Now let me show you the setting for all the indicators I use for this particular strategy. So the first indicator here is MA rebound. This that will turn to lime green and magenta. These are the inputs. The MA period is 4, MA method is 0. Just pause the video and set it up, or you use my template. And the second indicator is taper MA indicator, and these are the value. You can pause the video and set it up yourself, or you use my template. Then we have the symbol changer, and the last indicator here on the last indicator on the indicator window is my RSI OMA indicator, and these are the color, and here are the values. You can pause it and set it up manually, or you use my template. So this is all the indicators I use for this particular strategy. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and do give me a thumb up. Till I come your way again, keep on winning, and bye for now.